Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Roblox error code 773 in a quick and easy way so you can join games without any teleport or access issues. This error usually happens when Roblox fails to teleport you to another server or place, often due to permission or connection problems. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Restarting your router can help fix temporary issues. Next, try rejoining the game or joining a different server to see if the problem is specific to one place. After that, make sure the game you are trying to join allows teleporting and that you have permission to access it. You should also disable any VPN or proxy service, as it can interfere with Roblox connections. Another helpful step is to clear your browser cache or reinstall Roblox if you are using the app. Finally, check if Roblox servers are down, because sometimes the issue is not on your side. After following these steps, error code 773 should be resolved, and you should be able to join games normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.